Anyway, alright, Sir Speid, second draw on the track for you. But you still pick up something positive from the game. How disappointed you or the team is for the tour?
No, very disappointed. I thought we did enough to be able to win, but I mean at the other end, you know, Faulkland did enough to get a draw. They fought, they marked, they fought us all the way, and sometimes this is what happens with these type of games where the team battling for their lives. We probably took it a little bit easy in the first, but I think at the end we show a lot of resilience to come back and tie up the game because they really defended properly.
Sorry, you couldn't go to the top of the league. It was an opportunity.
Oh yeah, we just lost a really good opportunity to jump to the top of the league because and I think we did enough also, but I must give credit to Faulkland again. They really fought. I think we were trying to rush a little bit too much. I mean, we got a lot of chances, but just couldn't finish them off. But I suppose that's how it goes sometimes.
What do you think? Because basically your team is up the top in a mixture of everything. And a performance like this, you know, I'm not going to say it's a bad performance, but a performance where it shows that you guys have that resilience to even come back when your team is down. What does that mean for a team?
Oh well, I mean, it kind of. The truth is, this today we had to ring the changes. We made a lot of changes. Young Keanu Jackson came on; he's just 16 years. Ronaldo Webster, and they came and delivered. So it's really a good opportunity for some new players to play and show what they can do, and they did it today.
On the balance of play and how the game ended, getting that late equalizer, would you consider a point, 1 or 2 points drop?
2 points drop, I think. I still think we had another chance just before the end there. You know, there was one, you know, when Colin went through again, and I thought it was foul, but there was also another opportunity. I thought we get opportunities right throughout the game, from the game start, but not very good ones, and we're not able to put them away.
Okay, coach. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.